Hi Libra, welcome back to Omkara Tarot and let's do your weekend love bite. Libra, this is for the weekend of the 18th of September. These are general collective readings, so will not resonate with each and every one of you. And who's this healing a broken heart, Libra? Or trying to? Let's keep this card here and see why it wanted to show face so early in the reading. So as I was saying, these are general collective readings, Libra, will not resonate with each and every one of you. So take what works for you, leave the rest. So let's begin. Dear God, Goddesses, Angels, Spirit Guides, please bless this reading for Libra and send us the messages they need to hear the most at this time. Thank you. So Libra, welcome back my subscribers. Thank you so much for all your love. And if you're new here, we welcome you to our Omkara family. We meet here weekly for all kinds of readings, or weekends as well now for these love bites. This is going to be a mini read, Libra, just to check on your weekend basically. But join us for the other readings which will be more in depth coming up. Judgment in reverse. Six of Pentacles in reverse and the Emperor in reverse. Wow, somebody is really feeling beaten down here. They feel karma has really kicked them. You know where? Oh, wow. The Empress, Seven of Swords and the Page of Swords. So something has really gone down here, Libra. What happened here? There is a sense of things are just not balanced. There's been no equal give and take. Somebody's feeling very out of control here. This is such a weird reading. They feel karma's really bit them in the back. They're feeling left out. They're feeling abandoned by whatever has happened. They're feeling people are not giving back to them, or they've done something for which they're getting punished for. They're feeling totally out of control. They feel justice has not been done in the situation. There's been no equal give and take. Feeling abandoned, lost, upset, and feeling totally out of control here. Look at this, Emperor in reverse. They're desperate to now come out of the zone, Libra. I don't know whether this is you or this is a person, but this person is not in a very good space. They are really feeling that, things have really turned upside down for them. And they are wanting to desperately get out of the situation, maybe heal that broken heart which had these three big swords in them. There is no growth happening here. Somebody is feeling that things have backfired big time. Things have really slowed down, and look at this, no growth. There's an Empress in reverse now, so no more growth, happiness, fertility, abundance coming. Or maybe this is Libra, you or your partner who's not showing any kind of growth with the other person, and one person here feels that things are really out of balance, and it's actually whatever happened has backfired on the person who maybe brought in this lack of working together. Something has broken down here, Libra, where there is no working together of two people anymore. Things have stagnated. It's affecting not only the love life, it's affecting this person's work life as well. Again, oh my God, same card, Six of Pentacles, Six of Pentacles. No equal give and take was done. And that it was totally unjust. Whoever did this is now feeling the brunt of their bad karma. Wanting desperately now to get out of the zone and kind of heal things. So what's the Seven of Swords, Spirit? Why is the Seven of Swords in reverse? What backfired here? What happened here, Spirit? Seven of Swords. Somebody had a fear of change here. Even though they maybe wanted to grow, or this person was perfect in all other ways, the partner, the masculine, I think, had a fear of change. Okay, fear of change, and they didn't want to commit. So I think some kind of mind games were played here, Libra, where because of this fear, somebody did the wrong thing, and now this feminine has totally withdrawn her energy and gone off, I think, for a new beginning for herself. And this is really stressing the masculine out. Now, Libra, you could be the one who's moved away, or you could be the one who had this fear of commitment. But whoever had this fear of commitment is feeling miserable and now stalking the other person big time. Okay? They're trying to keep a watch to see whether there is any possibility now of healing this broken heart or not. Is there any chance of a renewal? Yeah, they're desperate now to bring back some kind of balance back into this equation. The Temperance card is here to show that. They're keeping a watch to see what is it that I can do now to rectify this bad karma. They feel the only way to kind of get their karma up and running again would be somehow to heal the situation with this Empress. So they're keeping a watch out to see what and how. What happened here, I think back bottom of my deck, I have this card as well, which is the Knight of Swords. So I think somebody was very rash, didn't speak before thinking, and said some very hurtful and rude and mean things, which kind of destroyed this relationship. Okay, so this was the reason all this broke down. And now they're worried that the bad karma's caught up with them and nothing is working out, and they're somewhere trying their best to find a way in to come and heal the situation again. Let's see what's happening this weekend. The Sun, Strength, and the Queen of Swords. Wow. So right now, Libra, even though this person makes you happy, you're not feeling very happy, because the feminine energy in this dynamic is really, 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 I can't emphasize this enough, because the Queen of Swords has been clarified by the Queen of Swords, and that too in reverse. Okay, now this is not an easy person to get to. You're going to face so much if you now go back and try and explain things, because too much damage has been done. And even though you want to go towards this person and explain things, I don't think you're finding the courage. Okay, so that's the reason. Let's clarify these cards anyways. Spirit Sun in reverse. You don't know what kind of work to put in now. You really don't know how to go about it, how to begin. This is so stressful for you. Libra, this could be your cross watcher, okay? You could be the person who's really angry, but the other person is so stressed out because they don't know where to begin. They don't know where to start to apologize, to get their sunshine back into the upright. What do I do? There's lack of courage here to come forward, even though they really want to bring a message to the other person. They are keeping a close watch on this person. They're trying, see, the King of Swords is still in reverse. They're not in their right mind. Sometimes they want to come towards the other person to apologize or say something. Sometimes they feel really angry, very jealous, very upset. They're furious sometimes as to the way things have turned out. So Queen of Swords Spirit, Queen of Swords. Queen of Swords is on her own trip. She's not showing any kind of love. She's pulled back big time. Yep. Queen of Swords is clarified by the Queen of Cups in reverse. So this person is not coming forward at all. Okay, she's saying, I am not offering anything. If you do come towards me, I may just cut your head off. Okay, I was looking for something balanced here. Until you can't come to me with clarity, okay, and victory and movement forward, don't come to me at all. And this masculine here is upset, angry, feeling weak, not knowing now what to do, how to put this effort in, feeling totally burdened, or maybe doesn't want to put the effort in because they have this huge fear of commitment. So all they do is come towards, this feminine each time and bring in some harsh words and some mischief. So I don't think this weekend nothing is happening. I'm sorry, Libra, but it's no point even coming together when you both are in such a mood. Okay, these two people are not the best two people to get together at one time. The Queen of Swords in reverse and the King of Pentacles. This is a very unstable character, and this is a very, very, very angry queen. Okay, so I think chill out in your separate corners. That would be my recommendation, or find a way to apologize or do something. I mean, these hearts are bleeding. So that's all I have for you, Libra. Take care. Love and light. Namaste.